That's a Webkinz. Well, you're probably asking yourself, what's a Webkinz? Well, a Webkinz is a stuffed animal plush that has a secret code that you pin online and has a virtual pet. The virtual pet can access you to webkinzworld.com. You can play games, trade on the trading room in the clubhouse, collect items such as clothing and retired and rare items, and have fun with your friends. You can go over your friend's house and you can do all fun stuff like that. Please call 1-800-WEBKINZ right now to order your Webkinz today. I repeat, 1-800-WEBKINZ today. Thanks for watching and call now. Bye.